有個同學作文嘅時候，佢寫咗呢句 I saw that a policeman was chasing the robber。 佢嘅原意係想講佢見到有個差人追賊，佢寫咗呢句出嚟，問我啱唔啱呢？我啱，但係呢句說話唔可以好準確咁表達佢親眼見到有個差人追賊。點解呢？因為 saw that 我哋用咗 that clause 係包含咗佢可能係親眼見到，亦都可能係 I saw that a policeman was chasing the robber on the news， 或者係其他途徑見到呢個事情。同樣地，如果我哋講話 We heard that our teacher was calling our names， 我哋個老師嗌緊我哋個名，究竟係我哋親耳聽見老師嗌我哋個名啊，或者係其他人話俾我哋知老師嗌緊我哋個名呢？因為呢一句 We heard that the teacher was calling our names， 我哋可以加入好多其他嘅意思去改變呢個 that clause 嘅。例如 We heard that the teacher was calling our names but we were in the playground。 如果我哋想精準咁去表達親眼所見、親耳所聞，我哋係需要學 verbs of perception， 或者我哋叫 verbs of sensation。 我哋一齊睇下 verbs of perception 究竟係講啲乜嘢嘅。呢個中文叫做感官動詞。 We use them when we experience something ourselves through our 5 senses。 咩叫 5 senses 啊？ Sight 視覺， hearing 聽覺， smell 嗅覺， taste 味覺， or touch 觸覺。至於佢嘅 shape 係點樣呢？ They are usually followed by a bare infinitive verb without to， 冇 to 噶， or an ing form。 好啦，我哋睇一睇第二句啊。當我哋想表達我親眼目睹有個差人追緊賊，我個正確寫法係點呢？ I saw a policeman chase the robber。 我睇晒成個過程噶。當我用上 bare infinitive verb without to 嘅時候，我係去表達一個完整嘅過程 a completed event。 但係當我用到 ing form 嘅時候咧，我係表達一個進行中嘅事情 an ongoing event。 例如I witnessed a policeman chasing the robber， 我係咁啱行過，見到有個差人正在追緊嗰個劫匪，或者我親耳聽見老師正在嗌緊我哋個名。 We heard the teacher calling our names。 當我哋用上感官動詞 see、witness 或者 hear， 呢啲係我嚟表達 own perception，我哋親眼所見、親耳所聞嘅事情。